Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to remove the background using the VN editor app. So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can start to install this VN and access it. And here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And maybe you have tried several tools, for example, the CapCut that usually can help you to remove the background very easy and instantly. And here actually you can also do the same thing, which is removing the background. However, if you would like to use this VN, the trick can be a little bit different, guys. So this is the homepage of the VN, and after that I will start to click plus over here to start off the project, and after that you can click new project, and here I will choose the video based. And if you would like to choose this music base because you would like to create the video music, so you can go with it. And the first step, or the very first step, is you need to upload the stock picture first as the background. For example, I will choose this one, the black picture, randomly from these stocks and click next. So these stocks or this black background can be the base of the video, guys. And it will be layered with another video that we would like to remove the background. So where the place to put the video, so you can choose this, tap to add sticker and P or PIP over here, or upper this video over here and click photos. Don't worry because this can be also uploading the video, guys. You can choose which one video that you would like to remove the background. For example, I will choose this one, and you can also adjust the size over here and also adjust the position. Like this, for example. And after that, keep this video being selected, and on the menus down here you can start to scroll to the left and you can choose chroma, and after that you can move this chroma to the section to remove the background. Here I will start to reduce the or change the scale of this pill to become 0. This can be a little bit tricky, but you can do it, guys. And you can adjust the intensity like this until the object, like this girl, the phone, and the star and the moon, can be still detected or not being removed. Just only the sky, night sky. And perfect. This will be the background removal we want. And for example, let's play the video. And as you can see, the night skies behind this woman before can be transformed and can be removed totally, and only left this moon and also the star and also this woman, because the background removal also depends on the object that usually more have intense color, guys. So that's all, guys. I hope this trick also help you, and don't forget to try this trick. And if you have any requests, And also feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.